Aston Martin has a rich history of building very good quality, elite execution sports vehicles with motors toward the front, yet presently it's wagering that inheritance on a mid-motor future that incorporates the cutting-edge Vanquish. This uncommon change in our way of thinking is as yet several years really taking shape, yet we have a small bunch of succulent subtleties and heaps of confident hypotheses to keep us keen in the interim. Albeit the new Vanquish will impart its fundamental design to the impending Valhalla and Valkyrie hypercars, it won't be restricted underway or cost a large number of dollars. It will include another crossover V8 powertrain that the organization is obtaining from AMG. With its motor currently situated behind the driver, the 2025 Vanquish ought to be to a greater degree a counterpart for contenders like the Ferrari F8 and McLaren 720S. What's new for 2025? We realize that Aston Martin has plans to present a threesome of mid-motor models, which incorporate the up-and-coming age of the Vanquish. Despite the fact that we've just seen the Vanquish Vision idea that appeared at the Geneva Car Expo, and learned little insights concerning Aston utilizing an AMG-obtained V8 for its half-and-half powertrain, there's still a ton left to be aware of 2025 Vanquish before it shows up inside the following several years. Pricing and which one to buy. We'd figure that the cutting-edge Vanquish will begin at around $300,000 when it in the long run goes on special. That is a long way from the seven-figure sticker prices that will be connected to Aston's mid-motor hypercars, however, it's actually too far for by far most lovers. In spite of the fact that we can't say without a doubt, there's a decent opportunity the following Vanquish could have a roofless variant to go up against the retractable rooftop models presented by such opponents as the 720S. Pricing and which one to buy. We'd figure that the cutting-edge Vanquish will begin at around $300,000 when it in the long run goes on special. That is a long way from the seven-figure sticker prices that will be connected to Aston's mid-motor hypercars, however, it's actually too far for by far most lovers. In spite of the fact that we can't say without a doubt, there's a decent opportunity the following Vanquish could have a roofless variant to go up against the retractable rooftop models presented by such opponents as the 720S. Engine, transmission, and performance. Aston Martin will probably be blasting an AMG-obtained twin Super 4.0-liter V8 into the Vanquish, and it'll coordinate with two electric engines to frame a module crossover powertrain. That is a change from the half-breed 3.0-liter V6 that the organization had initially wanted to be the underlying house. While the Vanquish will have a form of the equivalent powertrain found on the Valhalla, we believe it's far-fetched it'll make a similar 937 torque. There could try and be an opportunity that Aston offers an all-electric rendition of the Vanquish. One way or the other, we anticipate that it should highlight a reinforced aluminum spaceframe rather than the carbon fiber tub that will be utilized on the organization's hypercars. The absence of forceful streamlined innovation that embellished the idea recommends this Aston will be all the more a fabulous sightseer rather than its significantly more costly track-centered kin.